Sometimes in life we keep saying, I'll do it later, or I'll start tomorrow. We tell ourselves there's still time. What's the rush? But this small habit slowly steals our dreams and goals. In today's world full of distractions, endless scrolling, and constant notifications, it's easier than ever to lose track of time without even realizing it. Time isn't just what ticks on a clock. Time shapes our destiny, our future. The one who respects time climbs to the top of success, and the one who wastes it burns in the fire of regret. So if you also don't want to miss the opportunities life offers you, then listen to this story with full attention. It's not just a story, it's a warning. Once upon a time in a small village lived a boy who was extremely lazy. He would always delay important tasks, and because of that, he started falling behind in his studies and life. His family and teachers tried to make him understand the importance of time, but he never listened. He wasn't worried about his future at all, kept wasting his time on useless things. One day, a wise man visited the village. He was well known for his knowledge and wisdom. Many people came to meet him and learn from him. The lazy boy thought, if I can get some guidance from this wise man, maybe I can become successful like my friends. One day he saw the wise man talking with some people in the park. After the crowd left, the boy went to him and said, "Please help me. I feel like a failure. I am behind everyone. My friends, my classmates. I want to become the best. Please tell me what I can do to move forward." The wise man looked at him kindly and said, "My child, you feel lost because you don't value time. You keep postponing your work and waste precious moments. Let me tell you a story that might help you understand the value of time." The boy listened carefully as the wise man began. Long ago, there was a kind and generous king. He loved his people and always helped them. One day, he met an old friend who had once been his classmate. Now, that friend was poor, jobless, and had lost all respect in society. He always blamed others for his bad luck and never took responsibility for his problems. The king recognized him and felt sad. He called him close and asked about his life. The friend sighed and said, "Your Majesty, I don't understand why people think I'm useless. Whenever I apply for a job, they reject me. People say I don't complete tasks on time. I don't know what to do now." The king thought for a while and then said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset today, you may take as much gold and jewels from my royal treasury as you want, and whatever you collect will be yours." The friend was overjoyed. He thanked the king and ran home to tell his wife. She was excited, too, and said, "Go quickly. Bring back the treasure." But he replied, "I can't go now. I'm really hungry. Let me eat first." His wife quickly prepared food and he ate slowly, thinking he still had plenty of time. After eating, he felt sleepy. He thought, "I'll take a quick nap and go to the palace afterward." He fell into a deep sleep, dreaming of becoming rich. 2 hours later, his wife woke him up. It was still afternoon, so he got angry at her for waking him up too early. He grabbed a few sacks and started walking toward the palace. But the sun was strong and he felt very hot. He thought, "Let me rest under this tree for a while. Then I'll continue." He sat down and the breeze was soft and pleasant. Within moments, he fell asleep again. But this time, the sleep was deeper. When he finally woke up, it was evening. The sun had already set. Panicking, he ran toward the palace. But it was too late. The doors were shut. He had missed his chance. He stood there full of regret. He had lost everything, not because of bad luck, but because he didn't value time. After finishing the story, the wise man looked at the boy. The boy was silent. He had understood his mistake. Feeling ashamed, he thanked the wise man and promised to change. He finally realized that time is priceless, and once it's gone, it never comes back. He went home and started working hard. He stopped delaying and began finishing his work on time. Slowly, he started seeing success. His family and friends began respecting him, and he became happier and more confident. In real life, too, time is more valuable than gold. It's our most precious asset. Time is limited, so we must use it wisely. My grandfather used to say something very meaningful. Only those who ignore time will understand its true value. But sadly, only after facing hardship. There's a famous saying, if you value time, time will value you. But if you waste time, time will destroy your life. You can achieve anything if you use your time properly. But if you waste it, you will lose your chances and live with regret. A passenger who misses a train by 1 minute understands the value of a minute. A student who fails an exam knows the value of a year. Those who value time can achieve anything in life, but those who waste it fail. Use your time wisely. Spend precious moments with your family. Enjoy time with your friends. And work hard to reach your dreams and goals. Only then will you truly live a complete and meaningful life. If you like this story, give it a like and leave a comment. It helps more people see it. I'll be back soon with another inspiring story. Till then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward in life.